Pony AI is preparing to gallop to greater heights with its upcoming Hong Kong Stock Exchange debut, expected to raise 6.7 billion Hong Kong dollars, approximately $863 million US dollars. The plan is to price its shares at 139 Hong Kong dollars each, selling 42 million shares, plus an additional 6.3 million option shares. Since going public in the US in November 2024, Pony AI's American Depositary Receipts, ADRs, have surged 44%, valuing the company at roughly 7.2 billion US dollars. Add to that, Uber is reportedly in talks to invest around 100 million US dollars in the offering, highlighting growing international confidence in China's self-driving ecosystem. The Hong Kong listing, co-managed by Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, Deutsche Bank, and Huatai International, comes just ahead of a similar debut by rival WeRide, which is aiming to raise up to 3.1 billion Hong Kong dollars. Both firms begin trading November 6th, marking a pivotal week for China's race to dominate the global robo-taxi industry, a key pillar of Beijing's plan to lead the world in autonomous mobility by 2035. Pony intends to use the new funds to scale Level 4 autonomous driving technology for both robotaxi and robotruck operations, boost research and development, and accelerate commercialization. It's outlined a goal to reach profitability between 2028 and 2029, a timeline considered credible given its rapid expansion and technical maturity. The Hong Kong listing follows a series of major milestones over the past month, when it became the first to receive Shenzhen's citywide permit for fully driverless commercial robotaxi services. Working in partnership with Shihu Group, Shenzhen's largest taxi operator, Pony, will launch in Nanshan, Qianhai, and Bao'an before expanding citywide. Shenzhen is a key stepping stone as it's China's Silicon Valley and home to nearly 18 million residents, so it serves as a testbed for national autonomous mobility policy. Under an asset-light plus AI-empowered model, Pony provides core self-driving technology, while Shihu manages fleet operations and safety, a collaboration aimed at replicating scalable commercialization across China. The companies plan to deploy over 1,000 Gen 7 robotaxis in Shenzhen in the coming years. And for an even more commanding lead, Pony is now the only company licensed to operate fully driverless robotaxi services across all 4 Tier 1 Chinese cities: Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and Shenzhen. Production-wise, Pony recently celebrated the rollout of its 300th ARCFOX Alpha T5 robotaxi, co-developed with BAIC Group. This model, equipped with Pony's Gen 7 autonomous driving system, is designed for 24/7 all-weather operation and integrates the technology directly into BAIC's production line, cutting the system's bill of materials cost by 70%. The Gen 7 system leverages fully automotive-grade components and multi-layer safety redundancies, making it 10 times safer than a human driver based on testing data. Combined with its partnership with BAIC Group, Pony is on track to field a 1,000-vehicle fleet by year-end 2025, reaching unit economic break-even through mass deployment and lower costs. Internationally, Pony is expanding in Europe through a collaboration with Stellantis, the global automaker behind Peugeot and Fiat, to develop Level 4 autonomous electric vans based on Stellantis's Peugeot e-Traveler platform. The partnership will initially test vehicles in Luxembourg, Pony's European base, before expanding to other cities by 2026. In the Middle East, Pony recently showcased its technology and upcoming Dubai robotaxi at the Dubai World Congress for Self-Driving Transport. It also obtained a testing permit from Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority to begin autonomous driving trials, an essential step toward a commercial launch in 2026. As well as supporting Dubai's goal to make 25% of city trips driverless by 2030. Meanwhile, in Southeast Asia, Pony entered the Singapore market through a partnership with ComfortDelGro, the city-state's largest transportation provider. The two firms will roll out autonomous ride services in Punggol, pending regulatory approval, addressing driver shortages, and integrating AVs into Singapore's transport network. If you live in or have been to Singapore or any of these other cities, what do you think about Pony's arrival? Please comment below, and for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.